Hi. Now I'll show you to apply the octopus. The octopus is one of the best-selling stickers that we have, and sometimes the octopus comes in pieces like this, separated, okay, pieces, or can be in one whole piece. Depends. They use it that you the area that you had for cutting. You receive as well a paper with the model, so you can use this to guide you. So I show you how to apply a light. This is a small one, and we have the big one, but the principle, the system is the same. You use the same principle. So I'm gonna apply this here on the corner. Okay, I will decorate my own on one wall. So I want to put this here. So you have to have with you always masking tape, scissor, and squeegee. Or I always say this, if you don't have a squeegee, you can use your card, driver license or bank card, anyway, to squeegee. Okay? So I like it to work in this way. I have the model. When I go to do some decoration, I put the model in front of me to follow, you know? It's easy. So I will stick it here for a follow. Just, it's my way to work. Another thing that you always have to do, you always peel off. Before you go to wall, you peel off a little bit. I peel off here on top as well. Yeah. So it's easy to take out. There is an edge here. I want this edge to be here on the corner. Okay? So I have this model. This is the main one. I have after two ones here, two small one here, and another one here. So I will apply the big one. I go here close. Oh, prepare some masking tape to help me here. You do the same for the big one. It's the same principle, same way. The big one, okay? Here, close the corner. If I want to be more precise, I can trim in here with the scissor to be very close to the edge. Okay? So this will be here. I trim it. So I want to stay here. Okay, I like it. I take a look. Yeah, I like the position. I have another one comes here. So this one will be coming here. Yeah, okay. I like it. And another one will be here. Yeah, okay. Well, we can put down a little bit things. If I find the position, I like the position here. What I do, I will work it from top to bottom. When you have a long one, you work from top to bottom. So I will put this here to keep it here on the horizontal line here. Okay? So this is my position. I will now save this here, and I will peel off this area. Okay, I leave like this. This can be fell down here. With my scissor, I take the paper out. Paper out. And now, with my squeegee, I will stick here. I don't go directly, just slowly. See? Slowly. If it's the big one, you can leave like this. Fell down to you, no problem. And you go slowly, slowly, slowly. Press, firm, strong. So, it's in position. Now I can take everything, take out the masking tapes. Okay? Let's take this. Put here if I need it. put it here if I need it. Here and here. Now I bring my squeegee close to me. I take the paper, the bottom out carefully. Take out, leave very soft. Now we'll go from top to bottom. Press with calm, see? No worries, no rush. The paper helps you to keep out. See? See? And here. So, it was stuck. If I want, usually, to send in pieces for you, you can see this fits here. So this is the position for the another one. See? The curve usually comes like this. You have the another piece here. So I can use this to guide me the position for the another one. This another one. I will use it for this one. So I will take it directly because it's small. If it's big one, if it's the big one, I do the same process. I put it here in the position. Imagine this comes here, big one. I put one here, another one here, one in the middle, and I peel off here. Big one, imagine, no problem, big one. Cut here the paper and stick this area. Because this is small, I can handle by my hands. So I just come, peel off the paper from the back, throw away. I have the position here. Basically, I find the position. I like it here. Very careful. Just I'm pressing just the paper, the transportation paper, not the sticker. Because if I want to take out, I can take slowly, slowly. See, you can take it out. So this is the position, close to the edge, here on the paper. I like it here. My squeegee. Now I started to press. Press, press, press. Okay. Now I will take the paper, the transportation tape. The procedure is take very close to the wall. Don't take this way 90 degrees. No, very close like this and very calm. Don't need to rush. Go slowly, slowly to down. See? This is a paper. Sometimes can be plastic. Transportation tape could be plastic. It's the same way. Throw away. Going very close here. Throw away. And the rest here, very close to the wall. See? Close the wall. Throw away. I have now the ending because I take it here. I don't know exactly the place, but I can choose by myself. So I have this edge here. The edge will be here. I can put a little bit up, a little bit down. It's up to me. So you take the paper. Because it's small, again, if it's a long one, you put the position, a masking tape here, half of part of the paper cut, another part, you stick it. So here, it's very close here. I want to be here more higher and very close to the edge. See, just here. I'm pressed with the finger here, the position. I like the position. I'm pressing just the paper to keep it there. Again, squeeze. Big one, the same, you come here, big one. And you take the paper off. Transportation paper, sorry. The transportation, very close to the wall. Calm, 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 and voila! we have the octopus comes from inside of the wall. This is the way to do with pieces. It's more easy for people that doesn't know how to apply stickers, because this wall is sending pieces. Hope you like it, and we'll prepare another video for you. Thank you.